I'm Elisa, and I am the scrappy wife behind scrappywife.com, and today I have an organization video for you. I'd like to talk about craft carts. They're a huge trend, and I wanted one forever. I finally picked one up this past summer, and I'd like to share how I use it. But first, I'd like to show you some different options that are out there on the market for craft carts that might work for you. Let's go. First up is the Raskog cart. This is the original craft cart from everything that I can tell, and it is available at IKEA. You can find it in the kitchen section, and while it is really stable on price, it has always been $29.99. The colors do change. So if you are looking for a specific color, they usually only have 2 available at one time, but this is a great sturdy cart, and it's the one that everyone kind of started out with. I even found that this kind of teal turquoise green color was on clearance at my local IKEA, so if you're interested, you might want to go check this one out. The next cart I found at IKEA was the Nisaforce cart, also in the kitchen section. This seemed to be a good option because of the variety in the shelves. One is a mesh, 2 are solid surface, and then the last shelf, the one on the bottom, is deeper than the other 2. It's longer than it is wide, a little bit bigger than the Raskog cart, and a good option. The only thing was the casters were smaller, so I'm afraid they won't be as sturdy if you're trying to move around. It's IKEA, so assembly is always required. Next up, I headed to Target in the home utility section, and they have 2 different carts that they offer. The first is very similar to the Raskog cart, but with the main difference being that there are handles on this cart. So if you do plan on moving your cart around your craft room more, that might be a good option, and that cart is also $5 more. If you are working with a smaller space, this round cart, the round metal utility cart, might be an excellent option for you. The only drawback that I can see is that it won't hold all your supplies easily, like your long papers. Some things don't fit as easily in those round spaces. Of course, Michaels has a million different storage solutions, all kinds of carts to fit your needs. This is the Rainbow 5-drawer cart by Recollections. It's also available in white. It's not large enough to fit 12 by 12 paper, but I've seen these used a lot in classrooms and in kids' spaces to hold all kinds of craft supplies. This larger 10-drawer cart is great for storing 12 by 12 paper because you can color code it, which is super helpful when you're looking for something fast. It's also available in all white. This white Essex cart by Recollections was a new cart for me that I hadn't seen before, and I kind of think it would be ideal for storing some of your paper cutting machines like a Silhouette or a Cricut or a Brother Scan and Cut because of the shape of the shelves and the way it has a extendable shelf on the top so that when you need it, you can have some extra workspace. It is on the pricier end, but I think because of some of its features, it might be worth it if it's exactly what you're looking for. The Gramercy cart by Recollections, I believe, came out last year and has been really, really popular because it comes with so many accessories. If you are working with a small space, or maybe you don't even have a craft space, but you're looking for a place to hold all of your supplies and keep it organized, this is an excellent solution. It only comes in white and red. I kind of wish it had some more color options, but I like how adjustable everything is and how it really can be stretched to fit your needs. The Lexington cart is Michael's answer to the Raskog cart. And one of the big pluses to this one is it comes in a large variety of colors. So you can check online. The shelves are not adjustable and there are no handles. So when you're moving it around, you do have to move it by the trays that it has. All of the shelves are mesh on the bottom, and you definitely can buy your own accessories in the dollar store and other places. But Michael's does sell some accessories like a lid or a top for it that will fit each of the 3 shelves so that you can store things within and then place things on top. We Are Memories cart is available at scrapbook.com, and I haven't been able to see it in person, but it comes in emerald green and burnt ash, and it's obviously structured very similarly to the Raskog cart. There are a huge variety of accessories that you can purchase at an additional cost, and the price of the cart is a little pricey just to start with, right at $50. Okay, I'd love to take you on a little tour of my craft cart. Now, I picked mine up at a local grocery store called Aldi, and it's kind of an off-brand grocery store, and they had this on sale for $15 last spring. I picked it up. It was actually missing a couple of screws, so that was an issue, but I did find some extra in the garage, so I was able to use that. And the other thing is that the wheels are super small, so mine doesn't get moved a whole lot, but I feel like if it did get moved, it probably would not hold up. So just some commentary on my cart. I got my cart primarily for stickers. I used to store my stickers in a drawer in my desk and found that I wasn't using them very often. So I wanted to have them out, and I have all my stickers here on top. I have alpha stickers. All on the left side over here are alpha stickers. This is a container that I got from IKEA that I'm using to organize. These are all alpha stickers in the front. So you can see alpha stickers are a big deal in my world. So I have tons and tons. In the middle are sticker books. These are different sticker books that I use primarily for planning. And planning is one of the reasons that I'm considering getting a second cart, because I would like a cart maybe just for planning supplies, but I'm not quite there yet. So over here are my Tim Holtz stickers, and then these are just some random stickers that I have for various things. I don't normally pick up a lot of extra stickers, but you can see alpha stickers are pretty big for me, so I need a lot of those. On the side, I have, these are 3D stickers or enamel dots, so I keep them separate. Anything that's 3-dimensional, I keep over here. And then this is an assortment that I can use in junk journaling, some tags, some bags, just different things that I have stored away for adding layers, things like that. Down on the second tier is where I keep a lot of ephemera pieces. I have these felt letters, and to be honest, I'm not totally sure why I have them anymore. I picked them up for a project, only needed a few letters, but I didn't want to get rid of the rest. I have some different ephemera packs that I picked up over the summer that I haven't gotten into yet. And then these are specific collections that I'm still using as a collection, and I don't want to divide it up into colors, which is how I store most of my ephemera. These are some vintage bingo cards that I have, and a 6x6, a couple of different 6x6 notepads. The rest of my 6x6 notepads are kept down below, and one 6x8 from Carousel right down here. These are some long border strip stickers that I have had forever, and they work great in a Bible, so love using those. Another 6x6 pad, and then some larger sticker sheets right there. So that is my craft cart. It works really well for me. It helps me. I can pull it over when I am doing primarily scrapbooking things or memory keeping projects. And it helps me keep my supplies out to where I can see them and interact with them. You can see I decorate mine with the different stickers from different devotional kits that I work through with By the Well for God. And then these are illustrated faith sticker kits, and then these right here are extra illustrated faith stickers. I was a member of a sticker squad, so I have that sticker right there, and just some extra stickers. So just adding a little personality to your cart, super easy. From what I can tell, the popularity of craft carts is not going anywhere. These things are great for organizing your craft space, and there's a large variety, so you can find the one that's perfect for you. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that bell notification button. I hope you have a great day, and as always, keep it creative.